Hello, hello. Hi, hi. Today is we go back to the purest form of our stream, which is just me, laptop, coding, and my audience can enjoy the beautiful keyboard typing sound. So, also recently I'm doing a 3 month challenge, which means I use 3 months of time to build a web platform. So if you don't see me doing the stream, you can go to my YouTube and then see the latest progress. And without further ado, let's try 30 minutes and then 5 minutes of explanation, and we will do another 25 minutes. Oh, actually, I should go for 25 minutes, right? 25 minutes. Woo. And then 5 minutes of explanation, and then 5 minutes of and then 25 minutes of coding again, and then we will be done. And today is we go back to the most original point, which is the use BeautifulSoup to the web crawling. And yeah, let's do this. No, 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 no. I don't think it's correct. No, 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 no. Well, actually, yeah. So many. That's really so many. Um, oh, okay. It looks like there are a lot of links. So we have to wait a little bit. Mm. Okay, then we'll wait. Oh, I know why there are so many links. They are come from different stories, I guess. Oh my god, there. Well, we have to wait a little bit. Mm. I think it's a very good feelings actually. Like just see the code that really works, and you really go into different links to get the files. Yeah. So once we have um, this file, then we can use our previous code to do a lot of to download the actual recordings and the XML file about the transcriptions, and then use that files to really how to say, use that file to really like cut the audios. But actually, I am so surprised that we have so many links to really download. Apparently, that this colleague is really putting a lot of efforts um, in transcribe these languages. Oh, this one is does not have the corresponding XML. Interesting. Well, there are some doesn't have XML. That's not a problem for me. It's just a bit to me. It's very surprising to see so many lines of data. Let's see. Is there really so many lines of data? Oh, okay, that's already done. All right, then let's see how many lines. Oh my god, there's 549 lines. However, not every of them has the transcriptions. I would like to know what is the one that doesn't have transcription. So for example, that we can come to the website. Let's have a look. Hey. Okay, so there's really a lot of data on these websites, but I don't know which one that doesn't have these transcriptions. We can have a look. Moshu. Okay. Let's see. This one. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this is really doesn't. So this one doesn't have the XML file. That means that they didn't really transcribe this one. So usually what you will see, if there is transcriptions, you will see like this XML for the annotation, and then in the XML, this is what you will see, like how this language be, so how they pronounce these words, so their pronunciation, and also the translations. We can so in a later stage, what we want to do is that we want to remove these lines when we process the file. I think it was the main function. So yeah, so this is the one I wrote previously that get the input file and output file. So input file as the links. So for example, yeah, and then it will save the data into the data tier. So the data will look like this. That's being cut, and then the transcriptions will also attached. So like from when to when, this is the file. So this is the pronunciation, and then at the clip which time is that, and then also the translation. And also there's sometimes translation is sometimes in French, sometimes it's in Chinese. So I think if we want to use this data for text to speech modeling, it's possible, But um, for any kind of like generative models, um, would be a little bit difficult, because the if you deduct how many translations is in French, how many translations in Chinese, how many translation maybe in English, I don't know, then you don't have a lot um, to work with. And also in the data, we will see like the there are a lot of symbols that we use. So for example, like these hyphens, and then you have like this comma, and maybe there is question mark, and then there is like double brackets. So this data definitely requires a lot of cleaning for making the tokenization. So yeah, for the first section, it's done. Okay, but at least we have something that we can use. Okay, 5 minutes of break. Okay, in these 5 minutes, I will talk about this project again. So in this project, my very beginning, like very original idea, was just to practice how I can download HTML, how I can extract the data coming from this HTML file, like what kind of data can I get, and can I use this data to do something. And so previously, the code I wrote was already assuming that we have the audio link and also the transcription link in already at hand. So for example, like yeah, something like this, that is what I had previously. But then I realized that in this website that I want to acquire the data, it's a lot of different kind of how to say, it's basically link within links. How should I put this one? So for example, if we want to get the audio file and also the XML file, we get from this one. But how do we get there? We have to go into this corpus, go into this language, and go into the corresponding data, and then download. So I quickly realized that's the problem. Not the problem, but like the very frequently seen issue. So I add up another code that I was using, which is going to this web page, just acquire all the links within these languages, or within this language data, and then from this language data we can connect back to the script we previously wrote, and then we can also, once we execute the next one, we can also execute this audio process one which means we can produce the data like which means we can clip the data into different chunks, and then we can also have somehow I don't have any examples that I can show. No, no, that will somehow like, oh yeah, somehow like this one. This is the end results that we want to reach, and we already have all the links that we want to have right now. So now it's only a matter of parsing this one and then go using the main file to download the data, and then use the audio process to clip the data, and that's it. Okay. In the following 25 minutes, not so sure how far we can get, but probably need to rewrite the manuscript again, and also maybe beautify the code that we have so far. Okay, so we will do 25 minutes. Oh, like 25 minutes, and then we will see like what we can do for this 25 minutes to download something, and hopefully these files these files are not gonna make my little MacBook explode. Okay. 네. 음, 네. Oi? Uh-huh. Ah. Mm. But okay. Okay. I see. Um, I don't wanna do this again. Create input and output file. Nah, this one needs to change. Oh. 10 exam. These are all the links. And then I get the links, and then I get to create input output pairs. Then I need to go back to get create input output. So you get a link, you get a name. Create input output pairs is yeah, because you need a line. But I don't need file name now. I just need an array. Oh, list. Okay, I just need a list, so I don't need this with something. I mean, I can output, but would that make my life easier? Nope. But I can do this one, right? I already stripped all the. This is good to know that append. So a link, I already do that, so I don't need this one. Even I can create, and then I have a file pair. And then I have the file name. Link. Why do I do that? Okay. We can see how. And because items. Okay, I see. Okay. So what can we do? Arcs input file is not here anymore. It's the get transcription links. Okay, so I need this one. And okay, well, it's pretty much done in a way, but I kind of want to try out a little bit. Web links, and then I have the bulky. Data. I don't know. Let's try. Nope. Okay. Of course, it's normal me happening. Links. Okay. Arcs links. It should be like that, right? Huh? Is there anything? Yeah. I was hoping for more because it's a lot of links inside, né? Can I do like print XMLs so I at least know like what's inside? Yeah, it's a lot of XML. Come on. And then what about create input output pairs XML? It's a list. Yes. Yes. And so it should be like a dictionary, isn't it? Ahun? Why? Why is it not? Huh? Did I do something super weird? Huh? It's a list. For link in XML. You create file name. And so pairs, you have a file name. Okay, I'm just gonna I don't understand. Supposed to have like a why are you only read one? I had a lot of come on, don't do this to me. See, I swear I have all the links. Come on. And when I pass it, you should just give me the data pairs. Now, come on. What the heck? Not so sure. Not so sure what's happening here, but we will figure out. But yeah, at least it's in a way I mean it does download, but yeah, not really what we were looking for. It should be super easy. No, don't think so. I have all the links, isn't it? So for link in XML, I don't understand. I don't think this is the typing problem. It's not the typing problem. Come on. Print XML. This is so stupid. We have to kind of do this. I mean, I can combine these two. I can combine these two, that's for sure. How about I just combine these two? Will that be easier? I think it will be. So how about that? For every line, I just have a dictionary then. File, so pairs. That's not an XML. That's not return this. That's return pairs. I get a line. For every line, I have the transcribe. I have the transcribe link, and then I create the file name. From link. Well, actually, this is transcribe link. Okay. Yes, you get the last one, which is this name. Oh wait, for line, if I have to do this one, if line if transcribe exists, because it may not, so I have the file name, and then I put the pairs. Do I really need a dictionary? I actually not really a big fan of dictionary, no? Well, wait, if not transcribe, we return none. No, we don't need to do this so much. If not transcribe, well, actually we can continue. If it doesn't transcribe, we just continue. And if there is transcribe, then we have the file name, and then we have the transcribe link, and in the end we return the pairs. So I just hope that continue is the correct word here. It's not skip. I always confuse between these two, and so I don't need this one because I kind of combine this. I just need these two. So in the main, I have dictionaries for pairs. In a way, it should be like that. Just to make sure that is the correct way of doing things. Yes. Good. Must be the same length. Okay. What? Why? Okay, there must be something like this one. shouldn't be any errors. Array must be the equivalent. All arrays must be of the same length. So you don't have the file name? What we can do is to environment link. Is to stop and think about it. Okay. Well, at least we have something to debug. It can be fun to really think about how, like, what's going on. So, I guess we already way over whatever we need to do today. Before I go, there's many things that we have to kind of change. I will just commit what I've been doing, and I think there is a pre-process. Yeah, I just commit and I think, yeah, I'm at the development branch. Okay, right. Yeah, so I just do the git commit, and so there should be something on my GitHub repository, and we will think about what had happened. Yeah, and thank you for joining me this coding session. I hope you had fun time. Yeah, and we see each other next week. And bye bye.